Hi guys, how are you? Today how to use SolidWorks Polygon we learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then then go to file and click new and click part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the polygon. There have two polygon, inscribed circle, circumscribed circle. Now there are polygon line, you can change number of side as well as. At first we draw the 6 inscribed circle polygon here. Select. Now there are this line horizontal. Now give the dimension. You can give this line dimension or circle dimension as well as. You can a dimension give, there are fully defined. Now give the dimension 30. Okay. Now this point and this point dimension 100. Select. Now this point, this line and this point, and this line dimension 50. Okay, select. Now they are fully defined. Now go to again polygon. We can use here 3, number of 3 side. Now draw the hair. Select. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 100 and this point dimension 100. Select. Now there are underdefined. Now this line horizontal. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now go to again polygon. We can use circum. Now we here use 9 as well as. Draw here. Select. Circum means circle outside, horizontal. Now give the dimension. You can use circle dimension as well as 100 or 50, 75. Okay. Now this point and this point horizontal dimension 100 and this point vertical dimension 50. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now go to again, click here polygon. Now here use 3 circum. Click here. Okay, select. Now give the dimension. This line dimension 100. Select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay, now this line horizontal. Okay, this point and this point dimension 100. Select. Okay, make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box. Please subscribe my channel.